So, we're back for another Munchies review, cereal again this time. These are Cinnamon Toast Minis. They're new where I am at anyhow. They're from General Mills. It's 180 calories per bowl. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Minis, naturally flavored, new little tiny mini guys. This side is the French side because I live in Canada, so I have everything for my French friends. I'm not going to read you all the ingredients or anything like that. I'm not that kind of review. I did tell you how many calories are in a cup. That's per cup. 11 grams of sugar and 180 calories. Well, my bowl's probably going to be 2 cups. It says, cinnamon, real cinnamon, real cinnamon. Oh, they're tiny. Oh, I was expecting them to be small, but they smell like cinnamon. Let's see how small they are. Can you see? Oops. I hope that means they don't get like super extra soggy, super extra quick. Okay, my milk is in a bag. That's also because I'm in Canada. I'll show you one. Can you see little speckles of cinnamon all over it? Okay, very cinnamony. Tastes just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So then why would you want them in little tiny pieces? Just have fun, I guess. I'm sure they're going to get soggy fast. Okay. I'm a 2 thumbs up. I mean, it tastes exactly like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I'm a fan of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So, this is just fine. And although I'm talking about it getting soggy, I don't care if it's soggy. The one that was soggy that was weird was the one that had the cream inside, because the soggy made it so mushy and creamy or whatever. Yeah, this is good cereal. I recommend it.